Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Let's have a look at part A, 5a minus 2a plus a. Now, as you can see, all three terms have the same letter a. 5a minus 2a is equal to 3a, and 3a plus a is equal to 4a. So the answer will be equal to 4a. So there you will get 1 mark. Let's have a look at the second part, part B. 3b over 10 plus 4b over 10. Remember, when the denominators are the same, we add the top numbers. It's going to look like this. 3b plus 4b divided by 10. Now, what is 3b plus 4b? It's equal to 7b. So the final answer will be 7b divided by 10. And here you will get your other mark. Let's have a look at this question. Find the value of 20 minus p over 4 when p is equal to 8. So here we have a substitution question. What we are going to do is we are going to replace p with the number 8. So it will look like this. 20 minus 8 over 4. What is 8 over 4? 8 over 4. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. What is 20 minus 2? 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. So the answer is equal to 18.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.